Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show a step-by-step tutorial on how to insert personal information on BOOKKARU account. So first we're going to go to the BOOKKARU app. Then next we're going to click on the profile section. Then click on personal information. Then you're going to fill out this form. So you guys can start with address, with country, then your state, your city. Then once you're done with that, you're going to insert your date of birth, your gender, as well as your address. Then finally your CNIC number. Once you're done, you're going to click on update profile. So as you can see, our personal information has been saved. So this is how you do it. I hope you guys liked this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.